Hi everyone. So today I am doing a painting on a 16 by 20 oval, and I'm going to be doing a pearl pour. These paints were mixed on my Thursday night tutorial, and I thought we'd put them to good use and shoot a video while we're at it. So I am using Pebeo iridescent copper. This is just a Mars Black from Soho. This is Lucas Gold Bronze, absolutely gorgeous color. And I do have some blue quartz here from Treasure Gold. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that yet. We'll see. I do have a white pearl pour base. And I do have some scrapings from the demo that I might add a line through to start it out, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see where it takes me. But I'm going to go ahead and pour, and I'm going to let you listen to some music while I create, and then we'll come back and we'll talk. So we'll be right back. Just so pretty. Lots of metallics. Definitely showing up. The gold and the copper. Even the blue quartz has a beautiful shine to it. But I'm really digging that little spot I added. Kind of broke up all those gray pearls that I didn't really care for. I did leave some. And I added here. But I'm very happy with it. So, join us every Thursday night at 8 p.m. for our tutorial Thursdays. You can learn how to mix paints to do these paintings. Monday nights, Alan and I paint. It's just kind of our hangout night with our viewers. And always check our channel for extra videos. We have tons of tutorials, tons of videos. I have over 1,000 videos on my channel for your viewing pleasure. And we will see you all on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.